So I'm making this video to show you how much MiniPay pays me for having over 1.9 million in their platform. Yes, you heard me right. I want to show you how much MiniPay pays me. I did not say how much they paid me. I said how much they pays me, okay, for having over 1.9 million using our MiniPay platform. Right now, in case if this is what you are interested in, I would want you to do something for me. Go ahead and click the like button of this video in exchange of the value you are going to get in today's video. And if you're here to join this beautiful family, do it to click on that subscription button. Yes, but after clicking on the subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. You know what the bell notification does? It will always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you are watching. Now, in case you are wondering who can be able to do this, yeah, then I'm glad to let you know that anybody can be able to do this. And when I say anybody can be able to do this, I mean whether you're a stay-at-home mom, whether you have a 9 to 5 job that you are doing just like me, because I still have a 9 to 5 job that I'm doing, or maybe you are a stay-at-home mom or student, right? You can be able to do this seamlessly. Then if anybody can be able to do this, then the next question you are going to be asking is then what are the requirements to get started? Then if you're watching this video, that means you have one of the requirements, which is a smartphone. Yeah, if you have a smartphone and of course you have access to internet, then the next thing you need to have is some money. Of course, I said this is how much MiniPay pays me for having over 1.9 million, but I'm not saying you must have the same 1.9 million. You can probably have 100k, 50k, 20k, 30k, right? You must not have up to that 1.9 million, but even if you have more than that, then go ahead. The main thing is the higher the amount you have, the higher the return on the investment you are going to be getting. Now remember, this is never a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. All right, this is what I've done. I've made this kind of video before, so I'm just kind of making it again to let you know that something like this is still ongoing, right? So I'm going to show you how much they pays me for having over 1.9 million. Now, if I've gotten to this point, let me know by clicking on that like button. Yes, go ahead now and click on the like button. And if you're here to join this family, go ahead and smash that subscription button and turn on the bell notification. Now, with all this being said and done, I believe you've liked the video and I believe you subscribed to the channel. Then this is the time I'm going to show you my dashboard, right? But before showing you my dashboard, the first thing you need to do to get started is that you need to visit your Google Play Store or your App Store. So once you visit your Google Play Store, your App Store, look for MiniPay, right? So once you click on MiniPay, install it, then proceed with the registration. Make sure you have your email address, your phone number, and I think you'll be needing your BVN, okay? But just know that the registration is very simple to navigate. Okay? It doesn't take time to get registered. So once you are done with registration, then I'm going to proceed to show you my own account, my dashboard, to show you how the platform is paying me every single day, or what I did for the platform to be paying me for having such amount of money in my account. And also I'm going to show you how you can be able to earn extra income aside the one the platform is paying you. Yeah, so I'm going to also show you how you can be able to earn extra income, because I do that. All right, so it's going to be live. So I think it's time for me to just proceed to show you my own account. So cheers guys. So once you are done with your registration, this is definitely the interface you are going to see. So when you look at my dashboard, you're going to see how much that I have here. I have $1,409.61. That is what I currently have in my dashboard. So I'm going to proceed to show you 3 different ways that I'm earning money using this particular platform. Are you down for this? If you are down, click the like button. Let's proceed. Yes. So the first method, I'm going to show you this. How much is this? This is $2.86. I am going to open it up so you will see what this amount is. But before opening it up, let's first and foremost see what this amount that we have here, what the amount is, the equivalent of what we have here, what it is in Naira, okay, in our local currency. So let's proceed. So for you to know what $1,409.61 is equivalent to what it is in Naira in your local currency, go ahead and click over here. Okay, so we're going to turn this down. So for $1,409, we are having 1,956,395 naira. So this is what we have here. Okay, so we're going to go back and turn it back. So I'm going to proceed to show you the first method that I'm using to earn money. So the first method that I'm using to earn money is by having money deposited in my account. So this money you are seeing here that I have deposited here, this is how much I am getting for having such amount of money in my account. Remember, you must not have the same amount that I have. You can have 50k, you have 30k, 20k, 100k. Even if you have over 1.9 million, go ahead. But remember, this is never a financial advice. Okay, so I think what this platform is doing is marketing. They're trying to let people know that, hey, we are in existence. Okay, so maybe tomorrow this might stop. I'm just saying, but I've been using this for over 1 year. Okay, I've just like I said, I've made this kind of video before, but I'm still doing it again to let you know that, hey, this is still ongoing. Okay, so for people that probably might be coming across this for the first time, hey, this is what is going on. So you can jump into this and start cashing out for yourself, pending when it's going to stop. Right? Okay, so let's proceed. So the first method I'm using to make money is by having money in my account. So for having this amount of money in my account, I am getting this amount. This is 2.86. So I'm going to click on this 2.86, $2.86, so you can see how much we are getting. Okay, so click on it and boom. So for $2.86, we are getting 3,965 naira. That is how much we are getting. Okay. That is how much we are getting. Okay, so if you want to know how often we are getting it, let me know in the comment section. I am going to tell you how often I'm getting it. So this is the first method I'm using to make money using this platform. So I'm going to move over to the second method that I'm using to make extra cash using this particular platform. So the second method is I do click here every single day here that says apps. So once I click here that says apps, I am going to scroll and look for here that says daily rewards. Yeah, so I'll click on daily rewards. So whenever I click on daily rewards, they are going to show me, I'm going to see a button here that says claim. Yeah, so I'm going to click on that button. So once I click on the button, it's going to like load, and this is the amount I am going to get after it's done loading, which is 0.010 cents. That is how much I am getting. And after I claim that, they are going to ask me to come back tomorrow again to claim such amount of money again. So after I'm done with that, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to complete a simple task. It's just 2 tasks. I've done that for today. So that's why you are seeing task completed, task completed. So how do you complete the text? Right here, over here, you are going to see a button written go. Go, like go, go. Yeah, so and also another button again here that says go again. Okay, so what I do is I will first and foremost click on the first one, and it is going to load. It's just an advert. They are probably going to advertise a betting site. Okay, so once the site is done loading, just go back to the previous page, which is this particular page that you're seeing. Okay, yeah, so the next thing you're going to do, or the next thing I do, is to click on the second go again. So this is just what they're advertising: married and life scores. Yeah, so I click on the second go and the page loads. After it loads, and I will go back to the previous page, which is this page that you're seeing currently, and I'm going to see a button showing somewhere here that says claim. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the button that says claim. So after clicking on the button, what we are going to do is to go back. This lasts for 7 days. Okay, so as you can see over here, it lasts for 7 good days. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And once you click for the 7 days and earn the money for the 7 days, it is going to go empty. You're going to start all over again. So it happens every single day. So what we're going to do after claiming and concluding the task, we are going to go back to the main page, which is this page. So once you're done with the claiming of the money, this is how much I received after doing that. So I just did it like in 9 minutes ago, as you can see over here, just 9 minutes ago that I just finished the task. So the first money that I received after the first task was 0.01 cents. Okay, and the second amount I received was 0.01 cents. So guys, this is the second method that I am using to make money using this particular platform called MiniPay. So if you have gotten to this point, let me know by clicking on that like button. Yes, go ahead and click the like button to mark yourself present. Okay, so And if you're yet to join this beautiful family, of course, I really don't know what you're waiting for. Use this app, you need to click on that subscribe button. Yes, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. And let's proceed. So I've shown you the first way that I used to earn money, which is this first money. I've shown you how I used to earn this money and this money, right? So I'm going to also show you the third method that I'm using to earn money using this particular platform. So how do I do that? I click over here, which is to access my profile. So once I click over there, the next thing I'm going to do is to click here that says invite friends. Yeah. So I'll click on invite friends and they are going to generate a unique link, a referral link. Let me use that word. So once you click here, you are definitely going to copy your own referral link. So what are you going to do? We are going to follow these steps. So over here, they have already shown us how it works. So we're going to read the 4 steps of how it works or how you are going to earn money for sharing your referral link. So the first step is you need to share your referral link, of course. So when you share your referral link using any chat app, SMS, or social media channel, right, and anybody clicks on it to get registered, you are definitely going to get your reward. Yeah. So, but before you can be able to get qualified for sharing your link and for people to use it to register and for you to earn a reward for people using your referral link, you need to have minimum of $2, and that is where the second method comes in. They said $2 minimum balance to qualify. Of course, before you can be able to be eligible of sharing your link for people to use it, you must have minimum of $2 in your balance. So since you have minimum of $2 in your balance, then we'll have to proceed with third uh the third step. So the third step says if your friend uses your link to sign up, yeah, your friend, or sorry, you are going to earn 0.10 cents. Yes, that is how much you are going to earn. And the sweetest part of it is that that person that used your referral link to get registered is also going to get a reward of 0.10 cent for using your referral link to get registered. So how cool is that? It's a win-win. You are getting paid. The person that used your referral link to register is also getting paid. Now I'm going to show you another one that is going to shock you. Now the third step is that after sharing that your link and the person is done using it to register, yeah, and the person deposits minimum of $2, right? Do you know what is going to happen? You are also going to get 0.10 cents again over here. Yeah. You are also going to get 0.10 cents again. Do you know the crazy part again? The crazy aspect of it is that that same person that has already gotten first reward for even using your referral link to get registered and end up depositing minimum of $2, the person is also going to get another money again, which is 0.10 cents for depositing money. Now, how cool is that? Now, if you end up using maybe Google Play Store or App Store, get it downloaded and you are done with the registration, I don't think you are going to benefit from this, right? I don't think you are going to get a reward for registering. Your balance is probably going to be 0.00. But if you end up using anybody's referral link to get registered, first and foremost, you are going to get paid for registering. And when you also end up depositing minimum of $2 at least, you're also going to get extra money. So if you're using my referral link to register, you are going to definitely get the 0.10 cents. But if you decide to go to Google Play Store, App Store to download and get registered, I don't think you're going to get anything. So the choice is yours. If you want, you can make use of Google Play Store. If you want, you can make use of referral link. But I'm also going to be leaving the referral link in the comment section or the video description so you can make use of that. So guys, we are going to go back to the main dashboard. So this is the 3 method I'm using to earn money using this particular platform called MiniPay. The first method is for you to have money in your account. Yeah, so they are going to be paying you for having money with them, right? That's the first method. Second method is going to claim a reward by clicking here that says app. Okay, so once you click on app, locate this particular icon that says daily reward. So just go ahead and click on it and you are going to click on claim and boom, you will get extra income. Then the third method is referral link. So give any friend of your family and friend your referral link. So once they use it to register, they are going to get paid for using it to register, and you also you are going to get paid. And once they deposit minimum of $2, they are also going to also get extra money for depositing, and you as well, you are going to get extra money for them depositing. So how cool is that? If you're able to get to this point, let me know by clicking on that like button. Yes, I am really glad and I'm proud of you. Okay, and if you're yet to join this beautiful family, just go ahead, use this method to this opportunity to click on the subscription button. And that's what I have for us in today's video, guys. Cheers. Hi there, I'm glad you stayed to the end of this video and I really appreciate it. I'm glad you really want to do something about your finance, and guys, I am rooting for you. Now, in case you want to know how to make a deposit into this platform called MiniPay, I made a separate video just for you. Yeah, so in case you want to access the video, then do it to click on this video you're seeing on the screen right now, and I will definitely see you on the other side, guys. Yes, keep winning, don't forget that. Keep winning, and always remember that Leo loves you. And until when I'm going to see you on the other video, bye, comrade.